How are you doing today? I should remain Mr. Ruben Official. Today, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to make use of your CBT without your mouse. The fastest way of getting high scores without your mouse. You can only make use of keyboard, selected keys on keyboard. All you just have to do is to go to Jamb official website at www.jamb.gov.ng, a spacebar and ibase. When you load the page, you see syllabus system ibase. You see when you're done loading the page, you will see brochure, e-syllabus, processes, books. You click at CBT. You see frequent question asks CBT without mouse. There are 9 keys to be used on the keyboard during CBT without using a mouse. These keys are A, B, C, D. A is for option A, B is for option B, C is for option C, D is for option D. P is for previous question, while N is for next question, S is for save. As you can all see it here, the 9 keys to be used on a keyboard without using the mouse. A, you can press A to choose option A, press B to choose option B, press C to choose option C, or press D to choose option D. And you can press N to move to the next question, or P to go back to the previous question. And you can, when you're done with the exam, you can press S to end the exam. Dialog box which will appear asking you, do you want to end your exam and why, to finally end the exam. Thank you. That's all I have for you now. Thank you. As remember, Mr. Ruben Official, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, because this year I want all my Jamb students to blast their Jamb. Thanks.